The Edit Undo option is found in the Utilities menu, Edit, Undo. 12D Model has the Ctrl-Z button available for undos, but the benefit of using the Undo menu option is that it will prompt you with the operation that will be undone. The Ctrl-Z button does not prompt you before the undo is completed. Just to note, Undo is only available for the current 12D Model session. Once a project has been saved and is closed, the undo list is cleared and they cannot be accessed again. I am going to draw and edit some CAD lines on the screen using the toolbar options. Firstly, let's draw a line string. I'm just going to pick and accept a few points here. Then let's move a point. Let's use the move option. Then let's insert a point. Again, I'm going to use the Utilities, Edit, Undo option and find that it's now asking me whether I wish to undo a CAD insert. And if I say yes, the panel disappears and the insert is undone. If I use the Ctrl-Z button, it will just automatically undo the options that I have done, one after the other, and it doesn't prompt me to tell me what that will be. If you would like to see the options that are available for the undo, use the Utilities, Edit, Undo List option. The undos have to be undone in the order that they were originally created. This panel will only display the options for you. You are not allowed to select them from here.